Okay, good afternoon guys. Today I'm gonna make or cook egg lumpia. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. You need boiled eggs and then carrots, flour, garlic, onions, spring onions, soy sauce, salt, black pepper, and then lumpia wrapper. And then first, okay guys, and now we're gonna mix the ingredients. You need the garlic, the onions, spring onions, and then carrots, and then the flour, soy sauce, and then salt, some salt because there's a soy sauce already, and then black pepper, and then the 1 egg. Okay, so this is it. So I'm gonna taste it if it's okay. Oh, it's good already. So now I'm gonna wrap. Okay, so I think with that one is enough. Okay, so. And then okay, so this is it. I think that's enough. So that it will not be burst. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the right size, good, okay? Oh, okay, look at that. You can paste this one water guy, you use water. I just use that egg because that's a leftover, okay? Okay. Look at that one. Okay guys, so this is it. We're gonna fry the lumpia, egg lumpia guys. As of now, okay, we just fry that pieces. And our egg lumpia. Okay guys, so this is it. Our egg lumpia is super yummy and it's done. Okay, it's tasting time. Mm. Mm. It's yummy. Mm. 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 Super yummy guys. Mm. Ah, without sauce. Okay guys, so this is our egg lumpia. It's super yummy So it's very easy. And thank you for watching guys. Until tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye. Egg lumpia.